My name is Kato Raymond Santam.
Plus Kule Johnson and Babiri Angela from Eco Belleza.
We provide natural slime, cosmetic, body lotions and creams to females aged 18 to 50 that treats persistent acne from the root cause.
This is aloe vera, one of the materials we use in our product, and we do harvest it from here.
This is a demo farm. It is small as it is, the way you see it. It's where we pick our snails and then also we use them in the production. Since we said our product is a slime based, not only the herbs that we use, we also consider our main ingredient as the slime from our snails.
Our innovation comes in the way that we use a slime-based product. It is organically made, of which it treats the skin complications with all the side effects.
Oh yes, this is our final product, the can cream
and can lotion
from Eco Belleza. When we came in here, we had a lot of challenges. Firstly, the team member that we had also had the problem of the persistent acne, and she had a passion of developing something that can take away the acne. And the family background where we come from, me and him, we also had the same challenge of our sisters and our near parents to have the same problem. That's why this thing brought us together to come and ideate one thing that can eliminate the problem.
Therefore, we all thank Django International for all the efforts and energies that has supported us. Thank you so much.
We thank Sina and Django as the organizations that have supported us throughout this journey of developing our idea, where we have developed, gained skills, mentorship, and I think with other support like the grants and others.